everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do something simple. I wanted something light today, something good and tasty. So we're going to do some chicken bacon ranch wraps. These are going to be delicious. I've got some chicken and rice soup. I know it's like a double whammy with chicken, but it's what I wanted. So I've made some homemade chicken and rice soup. I've already got it over here. It's just about done. If you want the recipe for that, let me know and I'll definitely do a video for you. But we're going to do something simple with these. I bought just deli chicken out of the deli, and I'm going to make like a combination of, I'm going to use ranch dressing with it, but I'm going to slice up some lettuce, some tomato, and some onion, kind of like if you were making like a coleslaw, but that I'm going to put that over top of it, and then we're going to do some bacon and chicken. Thanks, Olivia. I was going to buy, actually I had in my cart a whole chicken, which I probably already have one in the freezer, but I was going to do a spatchcock chicken for you guys as well, but so they were out of them. So I'll have to lay the one out of my freezer out and, you know, let it thaw, and then I'll do that as well. They look so delicious. I've never done a spatchcock chicken before. It's just a method of roasting chickens that, you know, instead of it doing whole, which sometimes takes, you know, a little bit longer to cook, but they look absolutely amazing. So I will be doing a spatchcock chicken in the near future for you guys. And then I'm going to cut a tomato. I might have to do 2 tomatoes. You don't have to do this method. You know, you could just squirt your ranch on there and, you know, whatever toppings you wanted. If you wanted to use spinach instead, you could do that, but you could just, you know, layer it on there. You don't have to do this. I thought this would just be really good, though. Also, it would look pretty. I'm going to add that in our bowl. You know what? I think I'm going to add another tomato in there. We're going to cut up an onion as well. I'm just going to slice this thinly. It's kind of just like making a salad. And actually, what you don't eat, what you don't put on your wrap, you could throw some cucumbers in it and just make you a side salad. All right, once you have all that in there, we're just going to add some ranch dressing. That was a lovely sound, wasn't it? And again, you don't even have to do this method. You can just lay your lettuce on there and, you know, your tomatoes and your onions. I thought I'd be creative. And when I fry bacon, I always cut my bacon in half. And not usually, I pretty much do every, like 99.9% of the time. But you're probably just going to need maybe about 5 or 6 pieces per wrap. Or more, depending on how much, you know, your family likes bacon. I thought this would be a great, you know, a great meal today. Because like I said, I was looking for something light, something tasty. Definitely would fit the bill. Here, I want you to look at my soup. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I guess I could fish that bay leaf out of there. Soup literally didn't take no time at all to make, especially since I used the rotisserie chicken. Fish that out. Let me give that a taste. I think I put a cup and a half. I was very indecisive whether or not I wanted to use a cup of rice or a cup and a half of rice. First I started with a cup. I think we should have stayed with a cup. So that's all right if the rice you know, sucks up all the juice, then I can always add more chicken stock. Man. Oh my goodness, that's good. All right, all we have to do now is just assemble it. Now, I bought these big burrito shells. They're a little bigger than what I thought they were gonna be, but you know, it'd be good to make a whole one and then just, you know, put the other half in the refrigerator or something for another time. I don't think I could eat one that big, so I'm gonna make mine on the smaller shell. But I'm gonna make somebody else's on the big one. Actually, I think this burrito shell is even bigger than my plate. Those are nice and soft, though. Look how big that is. And again, I just bought deli chicken. If you wanted to, you know, cook your own chicken, if you wanted to make rotisserie chicken, and you know what, I meant to tell them that I wanted it thinner than that, but that's quite all right. So we're just gonna put our chicken on. And we're gonna add cheese. Now, you can use any type of cheese that you wanna use. She's gonna be using pepper jack. But I think I'm gonna use American for mine. You know, a good Colby, anything would be good with this. I'm just gonna add my lettuce mixture on top, or lettuce ranch mixture. Look how pretty that looks. That looks lovely. Look how pretty that is. And then we're gonna add our bacon. Now that's gonna be a big wrap. Then you just wrap it. If I can.
You want me to?
You know how to wrap it? I'm gonna
work at Taco Bell.
I'm gonna bring the professional over here to wrap it. Come on over, girl. We're gonna have the professional wrap it.
Girl, I can't wrap this. Here, tuck it in.
I'm gonna be the tucker, she's gonna be the wrapper.
It's too fat.
Perfect. She done a wonderful job. All right, and then we just have to cut it. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I tried mine on the smaller burrito shell, the soft taco shell, but it wasn't working out, so I had to switch to the bigger shell. Give it a bite. That is really good. I hate to do this to you, but I'm going to show you my chicken and rice soup. Even though I didn't show you. Even though I didn't show you how to make it. Take a bite of that too. Boy, that rice thickened that broth, didn't it? Well, this is the perfect solution for a lighter meal. I hope you like this recipe. It's not really a recipe, a technique of making a chicken bacon ranch wrap. But you know what, it would really be good with some jalapenos on it. If you make this, put you some jalapenos on it. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you. My battery's about to die. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.